Hello, and welcome to another update video about LINK. We start on the 4-hour chart. Quick for everybody who's new on the channel. Let's take a look at the structure. We're still dealing with a 5-wave impulsive structure that started probably here around the 10th of June, 11th of June last year. We had a wave 1 to the upside initially in this circle wave 1, which topped at around $8.50. Wave 2 pullback into the September lows, wave 3 rally, wave 4 pullback, and we are likely now in this 5th wave. After 5 waves, typically such an impulse has to be corrected. What does that mean? Well, there's typically a trending move, which is this 5-wave move that indicates the direction of the larger trend, or it's moving into the direction of the larger trend after 5 waves. We're typically watching for a counter trend move, basically what we call as a corrective pullback. Pullbacks and uptrends can be opportunities, and they are typically 3 waves as opposed to 5, which is a trending move or a motive wave to the upside. So we are dealing then with a counter trend move, and we typically have to expect that at some point after 5 waves are complete. The challenge is always to determine where that reversal is happening. There are some indicators we can look at. But overall, yeah, I think a lot of people are waiting for a wave 2 pullback to add to positions after they might have used the support zone in wave 4 and got some profits in the wave 5 to the upside. Really for the last in the last couple of weeks, LINK hasn't really been moving, just marginally higher, really. It reached my minimum target I highlighted for this move to the upside, $21. So that was reached. I'd be happy for it now to start the wave 2. Visually, on the 4-hour time frame, we already have 5 waves up. But, you know, it suggests to me, structure suggests that we should see still a little higher. Yeah, at least the microstructure would suggest that, which is why I'm still focusing here on higher prices in the very short term, in the immediate short term. So I'm not able yet to confirm a top in wave 5 of 1, and therefore I'm not able to give you a support area for wave 2. Now let's take a look at the 1-hour time frame. This is where we see a little bit more detail, and we can see that, yeah, circle wave 4, which is wave 4 of this larger wave 1 impulse, likely bottomed here on the 8th of January. That is the assumption. I mean, in an alternative, you could say this was just an A wave. We're now moving up in a B wave because we only have a 3-wave move, and we come down once more to test this support region between, let's say, around about $9.70 and $12.80. But that's not my focus at the moment, okay? I'm focusing on higher, and actually, as soon as we break micro support, I would already argue that we might be in the wave 2 pullback. So overall here the situation is we have a wave 1 to the upside of wave 5. We have a wave 2 to the downside of wave 5. Was another setup. We had a 3rd wave rally to my target. Everything worked nicely, okay? And this target area has been on the chart for many weeks, actually months. And therefore I say, you know, just visually looking at the chart, we have all the waves we need. But it's just looking at the microstructure, actually, we have another 4-5 pattern missing. Sometimes in crypto, you don't get that last 4-5. I just have to say that. That's why a lot of people take profits after the end of a 3rd wave. But again, that is an individual decision, because obviously it would be ideal to get that 4-5. And it has to be the forecast until the market proves something different, because it's just the most likely outcome. So we'd like to see that 5th wave. I'm watching still for a 4th wave pullback. See, might be unfolding already. I mean, let's zoom in a bit. First of all, it's important to establish the support area here. It's between 1678 and 1883. This wave 4 ideally gets at least to 1882. If it is the wave 4 yet. I mean, it could just be another sub-wave, whatever, and just extend higher more directly. I think the main takeaway is, as long as the price is holding above the 50% retracement of the 3rd wave to the upside, and that's at $16.78, I'm just focusing on higher. Next upside targets here, 23.78 and then 29.25. But yeah, there is not even There's not even a confirmation that a local top is in place. This is not deep enough for a pullback. And to be honest, it's currently coming down in just 3 waves, could even form a triangle or something. So at the moment, trend continuation is preferred, but we have to give it space in case it needs it all the way down to that support area. That's my update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.